Basil Chicken Fillet. For this chicken, we need chicken fillet, cherry tomatoes, sliced Holland cheese, garlic, basil, olive oil, pepper and salt. Put olive oil to the cup. Chop garlic. And add to the oil. Add salt and pepper. Cut the cherry tomatoes. Prepare the sliced chicken fillet. Put the sauce on the top. And cheese from one side. Put there the tomatoes. And basil. Cover with another side. Put the pan on fire. Graze the pan with the sauce. Add the chicken. Fry for 2 minutes on each side. Enjoy it! Bon appétit!